What's in a box? It's the technology that built Amazon.com. It's over 175 cloud products and services. It's the breadth, depth, and experience of AWS to transform innovation and growth in the CPG industry.
AWS has more experience than anyone else and is always creating new services. That's important for us because we are an innovation company.
It's optimizing your manufacturing.
We are using AWS data analysis technologies to predict precisely how fast converting lines should run to avoid paper tears.
It's reinventing your supply chain.
Using an app we created on AWS, our customers can order products and have them delivered to their stores or homes in less than 15 minutes.
It's being nimble in the marketplace.
By using AWS, one of our brand managers was able to completely alter a campaign within 24 hours. That couldn't happen with physical infrastructure.
It's your growth accelerator. AWS is how Amazon does business. So, how can your teams think inside the box? AWS is how.